Now, the country's rich tradition in sports continues to be one of the major boosts to the economy and livelihood for many Jamaicans. However, the outcry for the reopening of the sports industry has not been as loud as it has been for others. Shoshana McGowan tells us more.
Over the last 2 months, the tourism and entertainment industry have gotten the nod from the government to resume their respective activities. But in regards to sports, only horse racing has resumed on a wide scale. General Manager of the Sports Development Foundation, Denzel Wilkes, has sought to emphasize the importance of sporting events to the country.
The debate now needs to take place in the most serious way as to what extent we want to make sport an industry, a real industry, not a pastime. And that debate should take place. Let all the various views contend. I am absolutely confident, based on what I have seen, my own experience here at the SDF and throughout all the donkey years for which I've been around. I have no doubt that sport is now a driver. It's an industry. It can contribute significantly to GDP.
Before the pandemic, many sporting events failed to attract sufficient crowds. But Wilkes insists fans in attendance is still crucial.
Yes, spectator drives the income for sports. But over time we have noticed that it's really the media that really drives the big monies. In fact, locally, when a meet is put on in Jamaica, yes, you may see a full stadium, but what comes from the gate receipts is really to take care of the smaller aspects of things.
And with earning potential decreasing due to fewer numbers in the various facilities, Wilkes says sporting associations will have to get creative.
The streaming and the actual broadcasting, that much more, so it can to some extent compensate for that spectator. Because in many instances, the spectator thing is really a look good.
He also suggested another way forward for sports to operate effectively out of the COVID lockdown.
Every sporting body must strengthen their administration. That is one of the main weaknesses of a number of our sporting bodies, administratively weak. Yes, I know there's a funding challenge, but when you put all the minds together, creativity comes into play.
Minister of Sports Olivia Babsy-Grange recently announced a $40 million support package for athletes and creatives. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.